Top strategies for promoting an online dropshipping business. It's quite possible that you have heard about dropshipping before. You may have even considered starting an online dropshipping business yourself. If so, you're in good company. Thousands of people are entering the world of dropshipping every month, hoping to capitalize on its low startup costs and huge profit potential. While many new entrants into this space succeed at building successful businesses, many more need to improve. So how do you differentiate yourself from all the other people who also want to start a dropshipping business? One way is by making sure your customers get a unique experience when they visit your site or make a purchase through your store. At OPMC, we sell customized dropshipping for WooCommerce plugins that automate many of the back-end processes you need to optimize your e-commerce store. That is why we have put together this list. Once you have a fully automated site, you need to focus on promotion and marketing to ensure a strong flow of new customers. Why is promotion critical to building your dropshipping brand? Promotion is the key to building your dropshipping business. In fact, promotion is so important that we'd say it's the most critical aspect of running a successful online dropshipping business. Promotion helps you build your brand and your business by driving more traffic to your website, which leads to sales. Promotion can also help you grow quickly by increasing sales even when no additional customers are coming in through marketing channels like search engines or social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. There is no magical formula for promotion because every dropshipping business is different. Add the various customizations WooCommerce brings to the table, and you are bound to have a unique dropshipping website to promote. This means you need to build a promotional strategy that is just as unique as your business, and these tips will help. Number 1. Use a high-converting website layout. When starting out, you may not have the budget for professional design work. But that doesn't mean your site has to look like it was made in 1992 by an intern. Many website builder services out there make it easy to create a high-converting website without breaking the bank. WooCommerce has many themes and customizations to get a clean and user-friendly website. Imagine how you would navigate an e-commerce site when you are building your storefront. You want clear calls to action that drive you to make a purchase. Number 2. Leverage on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to the process of optimizing a page so that it can rank higher in search results, also known as ranking. Off-page SEO refers to the ways in which you promote a website or web page for its authority and relevance on any given topic to be increased by third parties, such as blogs or forums. You want a combination of strong on-page SEO tactics like descriptions, keywords, and optimized images, as well as off-page strategies like building up your backlinks through blogs, articles, and social media. Number 3. Expand email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is a great way to reach your customers and build relationships. It's an effective way to increase sales and can be used for retargeting. This also has a high open rate, so you can send as many emails as you want without worrying about them going unread. This is helpful if you have multiple products or services available. In addition, email marketing allows you to segment your audience based on their behavior, for example, which pages they visit, or demographics, for example, age groups. This makes it easier for marketers to send targeted content that resonates with each group individually. Number 4. Use strategic social media accounts. Social media is an integral part of any online marketing strategy. In fact, social media accounts can be used to drive traffic to your website, create brand awareness, and promote special offers and discounts. If a customer posts a positive review on their social media accounts about your product or service, it can help build credibility with potential customers. Use a social media platform where your target audience goes the most. If you are selling custom cat clothing, then you want to find a Facebook group, Instagram hashtag, or TikTok audience directly related to that product line and interest. Number 5. Add customer reviews to your site. A great way to increase conversions on your site is by adding customer reviews. Reviews are a powerful tool for increasing credibility and trustworthiness, but they are more effective when they come from other customers rather than from the product's creator. When potential buyers see a lot of reviews, especially positive ones, it gives them more confidence in buying the product or service than if there were only 1 or 2 reviews. This is a massive benefit for dropshipping sites that may have longer delivery times or less well-known branding. Number 6. Focus on customer retargeting. Retargeting is a powerful way to get more dropshipping sales. With retargeting, you can display ads to customers who have visited your site before. These ads are shown on search engines and social media platforms, as well as in email inboxes, so they are seen by people who have already expressed an interest in what you have to offer. Number 7. Find relevant online communities. Online communities are a great place to connect with customers, showcase your products, and get feedback. These are groups that share information and opinions on a certain topic or interest. The members of these groups can include people you know personally, as well as complete strangers who like the same niche market as your dropshipping store. Number 8. Use cross-selling, upsales and scarcity. The concept of cross-selling is pretty simple to understand. You suggest products that are complementary or cross over with the one you are currently selling. This can be done by creating a list of related items, such as batteries, chargers, cases, and other accessories, which you can offer your customers when they check out. Upsales are also a great way to increase your dropshipping sales and revenue, as it encourages customers to spend more than what they originally intended for their purchase. This strategy involves offering an upgraded version of something that has already been purchased, such as an item in a higher quality range, or a more expensive option with additional features. Scarcity works effectively because people tend to want something if they know they can't have it. You want to use plugins and marketing that feature phrases like limited time only a few left, and similar ideas to make customers think they have to take action quickly. Number 9. Don't forget paid advertising. Paid advertising is a very effective way to reach new customers. You can use it to promote your dropshipping site or for the promotion of specific products. One of the best ways to get started with paid advertising is by using Facebook ads. This platform allows you to target specific groups of people based on their age, gender, location, and interests. For example, if you sell women's clothing online and want to reach an audience that's mostly females between 25 and 40 years old who live in New York City, then this would be an excellent place for you to start. Number 10. Develop a strategy for cart abandonment. Once you've got the ball rolling and are seeing some sales, it's important that you don't let your customers get away from you. You need to have a plan in place to prevent them from abandoning their carts. Most dropshipping sites will have plugins or features that deliver a pop-up when someone leaves a cart, or some kind of new promotion if they take too long to put in an order. The goal is to make actually purchasing the item more attractive. Number 11. Have highly engaging product descriptions. When it comes to dropshipping content, you want to create descriptions for your products that are highly engaging. This can be accomplished by using a conversational tone, benefits-oriented language, a call to action, and including images or videos. Bullet points and lists can also help break up the information into bite-sized chunks that are easy for customers to digest. Finally, testimonials from satisfied customers can go a long way in helping promote your business while providing credibility and trustworthiness with potential buyers. Number 12. Partner with influencers. To market your online dropshipping business, you need to reach a new audience. Influencers are people with large followings on social media. They can help you increase your brand awareness and drive traffic to your website. This allows you direct access to a highly engaged audience without having to spend years building up your own following. Dropshipping is about the customer experience. Now that we've covered all the top strategies for promoting an online dropshipping business, it's time to start implementing them. This list may seem overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry. Remember that you don't have to do all these things at once or even pick one strategy over another. The key is just starting somewhere, and the sooner you do, the more successful your business will be in the long run. To make things easier on yourself, start by purchasing our WooCommerce dropshipping plugin. This will help you automate many of the tasks involved in running your online store, from connecting your platform with local suppliers to getting fantastic Amazon affiliate links inside your site's ecosystem. Our goal is to make your dropshipping experience smoother by creating a simplified dashboard that instantly provides you with real-time business intelligence, so you can optimize your dropshipping business from anywhere in the world. Conclusion: everything you need to get started is right here. Take your time and test out different strategies for promoting WooCommerce businesses, and you'll soon see your dropshipping store revenue skyrocket. This is your time to shine. Just don't forget to lay down a good foundation by picking up our plugin first. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumb up, and if you like to watch more videos like this and keep in touch with us, please click the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. We would really love that. Thank you so much.